Hi, I'm Connor and I'm one of the design engineers here at Suncast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your GH1732 trash can. At this point, I've already unboxed it and laid out all the panels. The first step is to grab the side panel and lay it down flat. Next, grab your bottom panel. Note that the tabs are labeled. With the tabs that are labeled with the side, we're going to push that down with the texture side faced up into the panel until we hear a click. Grab your other side panel, keep this in the same orientation. We're going to push down exactly how we just did with the original side panel. Perfect. Now rotate it on its side and we'll put it in the front panel. Push down until you hear that click again. Now turn it over 180 degrees and we'll put it in the back panel. Now we're going to stand up the trash can and put on the lid. Grab your lid. Now the orientation, the front has this latch facing forward. Right now I have the back of the trash can face me, so I'm going to orient it with the back of the lid facing me as well. Now I'm going to set it down into the hinges in the back. I'm going to push down again until I hear that click. Perfect. And that is how you assemble your GH1732 trash can.